Chana Pulao. Oil, 1/4 cup. Onion, 3/4 cup. Sauté until golden brown. Ginger paste, 1 Tsp. Garlic paste, 1 Tsp. Kari Pata, 1. Green cardamom, 1. Cinnamon stick, 1. Cloves, 2. Whole black pepper, 4. Mix. Tomatoes chopped, 3/4 cup. Mix. Zeera, 1 Tsp. Salt once or as required. Haldi, 1/4 Tsp. Imli, 1 Tbsp. White pepper, 1/4 Tsp. Green chili, 3 chopped. Mix. Cover with lid. Chickpeas boiled, 1 cup. Mix. Water, 1.5 cups. Mix. Cover with lid. Rice, 250 grams, soaked. Mix. Black pepper, 1/2. Garam masala, 1/2 Tsp. Jaifal jaggery powder, 1/2 Pickle, 1 Tbsp. Mix. Cover with lid. Food color, 1/4 Tsp. دیگھی, 1 Tbsp. Cover with lid. Ready to serve. Delicious Chana Pulao is ready to eat.